Jeremy Grantham says, "Do this to become a millionaire when the market bubble bursts." Imagine waking up to a financial landscape transformed overnight. The market bubble has burst, and while many reel from the shock, a select few are on their way to becoming millionaires. How? Today we delve into the insights of renowned investor Jeremy Grantham to uncover the secret. Welcome to Ace Wealth, the go-to place for savvy financial strategies, investment insights, and your guide to financial independence. If you're eager to elevate your financial literacy and take proactive steps towards your goals, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this video, we're exploring the remarkable strategies suggested by Jeremy Grantham, a financial legend known for predicting market trends. We'll uncover the key moves you need to make when the market bubble bursts to not only safeguard your finances, but to thrive. Let's dive in. Understanding the market bubble. The term market bubble refers to a significant, often unsustainable rise in the prices of assets. Grantham emphasizes understanding its phases to predict its burst. Grantham emphasizes that understanding a market bubble involves recognizing its life cycle, expansion, peak, and burst. During the expansion phase, asset prices rise rapidly, often driven by investor enthusiasm rather than fundamentals. The peak is marked by extreme valuation levels, followed by a sudden and steep decline when the bubble bursts. A market bubble typically goes through expansion, peak, and bursting. Recognizing these stages is crucial in positioning oneself for potential gains. Grantham advises on the importance of vigilance and understanding market indicators. Looking back at the dot-com bubble, investors witnessed a drastic rise in tech stock prices driven by speculation and exuberance, which eventually led to a catastrophic burst. Grantham points out that such historical examples serve as a guide to identify similar patterns in future market bubbles, enabling investors to anticipate and react accordingly. Now that we understand the market bubble, let's explore the strategies to capitalize on its burst. Strategic investment moves post-bubble. Post-bubble, the market presents unique opportunities. Grantham suggests focusing on undervalued assets and industries likely to recover. Grantham advises seeking undervalued assets in the aftermath of a bubble burst. This period often features panic selling, resulting in assets being priced below their intrinsic value. Focusing on sectors with strong fundamentals and resilience is key. In the aftermath of a bubble burst, panic selling often leads to undervalued assets. Smart investors like Grantham look for these opportunities in resilient sectors. Sharing personal anecdotes or stories of those who successfully navigated previous market crashes can be insightful here. Anecdotes from the 2008 financial crisis reveal how some investors capitalized on undervalued real estate and stocks. These stories highlight the potential of making calculated moves in seemingly adverse market conditions, turning a crisis into an opportunity. With our investment strategy in place, let's consider the role of diversification in this scenario. The importance of diversification. Diversification is a key defensive strategy in a volatile market. Grantham stresses its importance during and after a bubble burst. Diversifying your portfolio across different asset classes reduces risk and provides stability, especially in uncertain times. Examples of diversified portfolios that withstood past financial crises can reinforce this point. In volatile market conditions, Grantham stresses the importance of diversification. Spreading investments across various asset classes can mitigate risk and stabilize your portfolio, even when specific sectors are underperforming. Consider the 2000s, when investors who had diversified portfolios were better shielded against the tech market crash. This diversification enabled them to maintain portfolio stability, underlining the significance of not putting all eggs in one basket, especially during market upheavals. Understanding diversification, we now move to the final piece of the puzzle: timing. Timing your moves. Timing is everything in the stock market, especially post-bubble. Grantham advises on the importance of patience and timing. The best investors know when to hold and when to act. Waiting for the right moment post-bubble can lead to significant gains. Grantham underlines that timing is crucial in stock market investments, especially after a bubble bursts. Patience is key, as is knowing when to hold back and when to capitalize on market lows. Case studies from past market downturns, like the 2008 financial crisis, showcase investors who waited for the market to bottom out before buying assets at reduced prices. These well-timed decisions often lead to substantial long-term gains, demonstrating the importance of timing in investment strategies. Having covered these crucial strategies, let's recap and look at how to put this knowledge into action. As Jeremy Grantham has shown, a market bubble bursting isn't just a challenge, it's an opportunity for the prepared investor. By understanding the bubble, making strategic investments, diversifying, and timing your moves, you can turn a market downturn into a path to financial success. We've discussed the stages of a market bubble, strategies for post-bubble investment, the importance of diversification, and the critical role of timing. Each of these elements is a step towards turning a market crisis into an opportunity. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making informed, strategic decisions, especially in turbulent times. With these insights from Jeremy Grantham, you're better equipped to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Have you ever experienced a market bubble burst? What strategies did you employ? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more financial insights. Thank you for watching Ace Wealth. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the world of finance. Keep learning, keep growing, and let's all move towards financial freedom together. See you in the next video.